Challenges are the pursuit of extremes and the embodiment of dreams. Every ascent is a journey of self-improvement, and every obstacle conquered is an opportunity seized. MotorPro moves forward through innovation, ensuring that every off-road adventure is an unparalleled experience. We prioritize the needs of our customers, listening to them and making their requirements the focal point of our solutions, which then evolve into our innovative concepts. MotorPro dedicates itself to the design of each steering and suspension component, prioritizing fundamental safety, tailoring solutions to meet customer-specific demands, and ensuring the durability that extends the product's lifespan, ultimately delivering a delightful experience to ATV, UTV, and Jeep users. Our team comprises highly experienced operators who excel in handling diverse manufacturing processes and various design specifications. They are proficient in conducting online quality inspections to guarantee that each component aligns with the specified tolerance range and assembles flawlessly. In order to confirm that our optimized components surpass the original manufacturer in terms of durability, we have set up a complete and advanced experimental equipment, and we collaborate with our customers to provide experimental testing tailored to their specific needs. On the off-road journeys, we are not merely navigating vehicles, we are also steering our own progress and passion. We revel in the challenges and exhilaration of speed and steep terrain, and trusting safety and durability to the MotorPro team.